Hey guys, how's it going? Okay, so tonight we're going to just go over and just kind of get you started with, we're going to be talking about fraction equivalents to add tenths and hundredths. And it's going to make a lot more sense when you see what we're doing. After this video, I would like you to watch Mr. Kung's video, which I'll put a link into. And after that, we're going to have a short little kind of quiz, just to kind of test you on what you've learned to see that you got it. And then tomorrow we'll come in and do our math modules in class. So let's get started. So let's say we've got, we've got 3 tenths plus 4 hundredths, okay? And some of you would look at that and go, oh, I could do that pretty quickly, and you probably could. But let's just slow down and let's go back and kind of go over what it actually means. And a great way to look at that is through our place value charts. So let's start with ones, then the decimal point, then tenths, and then hundredths. All right, and then we'll go ahead and make our chart right here. And then it looks like we have 3 tenths. So I'm going to get my daughter here. We're going to do 3 tenths, 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to have 4 hundredths, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the way it works is we are going to actually convert the 3 tenths right here into hundredths. So how do we do that? If we just take tens, because it's kind of hard to add both those together, so we're going to take the tens, we're going to put this over here, and that'll give me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm going to bring another set over here. We're going to bring these ones over too, and these ones over too. So we'll go ahead and add more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then this set for these ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many hundredths do we have all together? We have 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'd have equals 34 100ths. Now, we can do that same thing. Okay, so there's another way that we can show 3 tenths plus 4 hundredths, and that's using a rectangular diagram. So let's do this. Let's just make a box. We're going to divide this up into tenths. So there's 5. That's pretty. Let me redo that. That's not a very straight line. There's 5. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know what? And then I'm going to do 6. Let's see. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we got tenths there. Okay. And then, so for the 3 tenths right here, we're going to just highlight in 3 tenths. So we got 1, 2, 3 tenths. And then we got to get that 4 hundredths. Well, as we've seen like with the number chart, if you divide up tenths by 10, then you would have hundredths. So let's go ahead and just divide this next one up by 10 right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we can do 4 of those. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. And so that would be 30, 10, 20. Let's see. That would be 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So that would be 34 over 100. Okay? Okay, so there's even going to be a third way that you might want to do this, that you could do this, and that is to make both denominators the same. We're going to make both of them over 100. And the way we do that is to make 10 into 100, you multiply by 10. So 3 over 10 times 100, times 10, and 10 times 10. That'll make it 100. And if you remember, that's what we called the Angeline effect in our classroom. And then, so 3 times 10 is 30. So now we have 30 hundredths. So this 3 tens actually changes into 30 hundredths. It's really the same number. It's just written a different way. So we could say 30 hundredths plus 4 hundredths equals 34 hundredths. Okay? So to get a little more clarification, please watch Mr. Kung's Has Problems video, the next one that's listed, and then take the little short quiz that I've provided for you. Okay? I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Remember, it's testing day tomorrow, so make sure you get a good night's sleep tonight and a great breakfast in the morning. All right, talk to you guys later. Bye.